Welcome to the ventriculostomy technique video. During this program, we'll introduce common techniques and instrumentation used to perform this potentially life-saving procedure. We hope you find this to be informative and useful to your practice. A suspected increase in intracranial pressure, or ICP, may necessitate the placement of a ventricular catheter into the lateral ventricle of the brain to allow for CSF drainage and intracranial pressure monitoring. This procedure is called a ventriculostomy. The process to place a ventricular catheter requires drilling a small hole into the skull using the components of a cranial access kit. Then placing that catheter through the burr hole. Once the catheter is placed, then it will be attached to a CSF collection bag, and the entire system is referred to as an external ventricular drain, or EVD. In this demonstration, we will cover 3 chapters. The first chapter is indications and choices. The second chapter is instrumentation needed, and the third chapter is a demonstration of technique.